Here is a solution of question 4 of quiz 2014 on radians, angular velocity and arc length. Question 4. A bicycle tire rotates at 150 rpm. What is its angular velocity in radians per second? Okay. So basically it is conversion of units. So when we say bicycle tire rotates at 150 rpm, it is also an angular velocity but in different units. So let me write omega as angular velocity. Okay, so angular velocity given to us is 150. rpm means revolutions per minute. That is the meaning of rpm, revolutions per minute. Okay, now what do we need? What is its angular velocity in radians per second? Now, so we'll convert this unit into radians per second. So that is the exercise. Now what is one revolution equals to, right? So if you go through one circle, that means one revolution, how many radians do you cover? 2 pi, right? So we can write here as 2 pi radians is equals to 1 revolution. Is it okay? So that is how we will convert revolutions into radians. Now we need to convert minutes to seconds, right? So now 1 minute is how many seconds? You say 1 minute is 60 seconds. 60 seconds, right? So that is how we convert minutes to seconds. Now see, minutes and minutes will cancel out. Revolution and revolution will cancel out. So what remains is radians per second. So that is the best way of converting units. Okay, so we get omega as 150 times 2 pi times 2 pi radians, and in the denominator we have 60 per second. Do you see that? So that is our answer. Now you can always use your calculator and find your answer, correct? So we can do, or if you are writing exact answer, it is not specified, so exact answer is not a bad idea at all, correct? So we can simplify this. So we say 2 cancels out this by 30, right? 0 and 0 cancels out, and 3 goes 5 times. 3 times 5 is 15, correct? And therefore we get our answer as 5 pi radians per second, right? So that is our answer, right? If you want, you can use the calculator and round it to some decimal places. Well, in this case it is not required. 5 pi radians per second is good enough. So that is the angular velocity of the bicycle tire, which rotates at 150 rpm per second. You see, so that is our answer, correct?